In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this app isn't opening correctly on Power Apps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you're trying to open your Power Apps on your computer or your smartphone and you are getting this error that your app isn't opening correctly, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, you need to open your browser and then go to these three lines on top here. For my case, I'm on Google Chrome. This will depend on the type of browser you have. Then go to settings on your computer, and from here look for privacy and security. Under this, look for this option, delete browsing data. From here, choose the duration you want to delete. You can choose to delete maybe for the last 15 minutes, last hour, last 24 hours, or even 7 days. Choose according to what you prefer, and then make sure you have checked browsing history, cookies, and all the others before you proceed and delete data. So this will clear all browsing data you have on your browser or on your computer, and now this should fix your problem. Now when you go back to your Power Apps account, now you should be able to log in and use it without any issue. But should you still fail, then check and then see if you have any VPN on your computer. Turn it off or uninstall the VPN app, as this might be causing the issue. Also, if you have any recently installed security app that you are not using before, remove it or uninstall it to see if this works. Finally, you need to restart your computer before you can fix this issue once and for all. However, at this point, if you still get this challenge, then most likely Microsoft Power Apps might have experienced internal server error. For that, you need to try and log in after some few minutes to see if the problem has been solved. In most cases, now you shouldn't have any issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.